Working first. The component design is created in CAD software and converted into G-code instructions. The G-code program is loaded into the CNC machine controller. The controller sends commands to servo motors for movement along X, Y, and Z axes. The cutting tool moves automatically and removes material according to the programmed path. Feedback systems continuously check accuracy and ensure precise machining operation. Advantage CNC machines provide very high accuracy and precision in machining operations. They can produce complex shapes and designs easily. CNC machines reduce human error and improve product quality. Production speed is high, which increases productivity. The same product can be manufactured repeatedly with consistent quality. Disadvantage: CNC machines are very expensive compared to conventional machines. Skilled operators and programming knowledge are required to operate them. Maintenance and repair costs are high. Initial setup and programming take more time. In case of software or power failure, production may stop completely.